My name is Robert Brashear, the plant manager at Ball Metal Pack. Ball manufactures food in aerosol cans made out of tin-plated steel. At our facility here in Horsham, we manufacture aerosol cans. To make the top, the body, and the bottom of the can. My favorite part about working at Ball Metal Pack is the fact that something is different every day.
We have a great group here at Ball Metal Pack, and it's nice to be able to come to work every day and enjoy who you spend your time with.
I'm not working in a cubicle every day. It's fast-paced. The day goes by really quickly because we're always working on something different. We're working with our hands.
I grew up really liking math and science and liking puzzles, and a lot of what we do in manufacturing every day is solving problems.
What's so cool about manufacturing is you see a finished product on the shelf at the store, and you have no idea what goes into it until you work in manufacturing.
Manufacturing really relies so much on teamwork. So no one person, no one department can get anything done by themselves. Another piece that's different about manufacturing is you can really see the result of a day's work. You know, if I was in journalism or something, for instance, you may not see that accomplishment. Here, you see the trucks rolling out every day.
It's very social, it's very team-oriented. I think, as some of our employees have probably said, sometimes problems are so difficult that they're not solved by one person. It takes a team, and it takes everyone contributing their talents to the end result of solving that problem, and I find that to be really rewarding.
I would just say that, you know, manufacturing these days, it seems like it's not at the forefront of people's minds and what they want to do as they move into their careers. It has provided a livelihood for myself and hundreds of other people. You know, I wound up here accidentally. Now that I'm into it, I wouldn't go back. I wouldn't do anything else.